Hi, it's Tina and Tim again, and we're still on the topic of Child Protective Services. So Tim, I need to know, and so does the rest of everybody else, please define medical neglect and who is obligated to report it or generally reports medical neglect.
So medical neglect pretty much is you are not meeting the medical needs of a child. You fail to get treatment if they're injured, or let's say they take a regularly prescribed medication and you've been failing to administer it or refill it. They go to counseling, you've missed so many appointments, they got thrown out of counseling and now they're not getting those medications. That's medical neglect. Those people who report it will be your mental health providers, your doctors and nurses, and occasionally it will be the school district when you haven't given the child a physical or so much time has lapsed and you're not getting that child the requisite care that they need in order to be in school.
And can a parent report another parent for failing to follow doctor's recommendations? Would that be medical neglect as well?
That is medical neglect, and a parent most certainly can bring that to the state's level and have that investigated.
Great. Thanks for the response, Tim. And don't forget to tune in next time to us, like us, and also subscribe. Bye.